This is the only template I've found that comes anywhere near what I was looking for. I have several doctors I see on a concurrent basis, so this is perfect. That's what Sophia, one of our users, had to say about the therapy logbook and self-care tracker Notion template, and honestly, I couldn't have described it better myself. Hi, everyone. Welcome back to the channel, where we turn Notion into your ultimate life coach and BFF. Today, I've got something extra special for you, especially if you're on a journey of self-care, mental wellness, or therapy. Let's face it, navigating mental health can be overwhelming. Therapy notes scattered in random places, forgetting what your doctor recommended last week, or losing track of your self-care goals. Sound familiar?
Same.
But not anymore. Introducing the Therapy Logbook and Self-Care Tracker Notion template, your new partner in managing mental health with ease and intention. Let me walk you through the magic, feature by feature. Therapy appointments plus learnings. Never lose track of what you discussed in therapy again. This section lets you log your appointments, reflect on breakthroughs, and document those moments that might otherwise slip away. Mood tracker. Feeling meh on Mondays or thriving on Thursdays. Track your daily moods, spot patterns, and understand your emotional roller coaster better. It's like having a mood diary, but way cooler and way more organized. Medication tracker. Forgetting your meds? Not anymore. With this tracker, you can stay on top of dosages and schedules like a pro. Personal care goals. This is a game changer. Focus on everything from mental health to skincare to gut health, because feeling good isn't just about one thing, right? Self-care questionnaire. Thought-provoking prompts designed to help you reflect on what self-care means to you. No generic advice. This is personalized, introspective goodness. Vent corner. Had a rough day? This section is your digital punching bag. Vent, cry, rage, whatever you need. No judgment here. Here's the best part. You don't need to know a single line of code to use this template. It's beginner-friendly and already a bestseller in my shop. The Therapy Logbook and Self-Care Tracker isn't just a tool, it's a little act of kindness you're doing for yourself. Ready to start prioritizing you? Grab it now with just a few clicks. The link's in the description below. If you love this template, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Notion tutorials and productivity hacks. You've got this. Let's make self-care effortless together. See you in the next video.